Are you ready to learn 5 new English words? This week's topic is tasks and situations. And there'll be a quiz at the end to test you on the words. So let's go! Forget. Forget. It's a verb that means to not remember something. Here's an example. Forget my passport. Forget my passport. I hope I don't forget my passport again. I hope I don't forget my passport again. I hope I don't forget my passport again. You mean like last time you missed the flight? Let's review. Say this out loud. Forget. Forget. Say this out loud. Forget my passport. Forget my passport. Say this out loud. I hope I don't forget my passport again. I hope I don't forget my passport again. Arrive. Arrive. It's a verb that means to reach a place at the end of a journey. Here's an example. Arrive at the station. Arrive at the station. I should arrive at the station by noon. I should arrive at the station by noon. I should arrive at the station by noon. Don't be late. I won't wait all day. Let's review. Say this out loud. Arrive. Arrive. Say this out loud. Arrive at the station. Arrive at the station. Say this out loud. I should arrive at the station by noon. I should arrive at the station by noon. Check. Check. It's a verb that means to look at something to find information or confirm details. Here's an example. Going to check. Going to check. I'm going to check if there's a table available at the bistro. I'm going to check if there's a table available at the bistro. I'm going to check if there's a table available at the bistro. Sure, and I'll check if the Eiffel Tower's empty for a picnic. Let's review. Say this out loud. Check. Check. Say this out loud. Going to check. Going to check. Say this out loud. I'm going to check if there's a table available at the bistro. I'm going to check if there's a table available at the bistro. Help. Help. It's a verb that means to assist or make something easier for someone. Here's an example. Help you carry. Help you carry. I can help you carry those boxes. I can help you carry those boxes. I can help you carry those boxes. Ugh, thank goodness. My back is killing me. Let's review. Say this out loud. Help. Help. Say this out loud. Help you carry. Help you carry. Say this out loud. I can help you carry those boxes. I can help you carry those boxes. Take. Take. It's a verb that means to use something for transportation or progress. Here's an example. Take the train. Take the train. I'm going to take the train to work today. I'm going to take the train to work today. I'm going to take the train to work today. Then run or you'll miss it again. Let's review. Say this out loud. Take. Take. Say this out loud. Take the train. Take the train. Say this out loud. I'm going to take the train to work today. I'm going to take the train to work today. It's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember the words from the last 5 lessons. Ready?
Forget.
Arrive.
Check.
Help.
Take.
Great job! Follow English Class 101 for more English lessons.